Down, up. Up, down. Up, down. Time extension sounds awful. It's the hover ship to race. Oh, that sounds so bad.
Time for another high-speed demolition race. Ratchet's racing to beat the clock. Each checkpoint he passes earns him a few extra seconds.
Down, down, down. $53. There are a lot of these. Guys, shoot at me. Wonderful. Ah, they're not doing anything. I wish you could try this. I wish you could really see how difficult the controls are on this stupid thing. Because it's so... I complain about it frequently because it's that terrible. Nope, down, 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 down. Last one. 25.0. Look at me do that one right. I was expecting that one to be way worse. That one wasn't nearly as bad. Control nodes are under enemy command. Travel to each node and retake them to win. Okay. I bet you I can do that.
Ratchet must capture each node in sequence.
No, I didn't want to do that.
Progressing to the next node. If he gets lost, he can ask any of the helpful psychopathic robot killers positioned around the belt for directions.
Okay. Oh! So now my mace is out of ammo. Like, why is my mace out of ammo? What happened to my mace that constituted being out of ammo? Why do these guys have so much life? Ah! No, another set? Well. Is there something over here? Another big guy. Okay. Another. Is this a thing? Well, I'm getting scorpion foil ammo back.
Oh man, these guys are hot. Did you feel that, Juanita?
I really like this scorpion flail. It's a lot of fun. I like dashing around and just hitting people with it. Seems to be a good stress reliever. Oh, we're done. Alright. On to the next planet. Planet Torval. And then we got another tournament. I wonder if there's going to be an eviscerator thing. Because that's the next guy we have to kill is eviscerator.
Subject 135. Choose one of the following items. A Courtney Gears musical lunchbox, a talking secret agent Clank bobblehead, or this super cool Ace hardline action figure with kung fu grip.
Wow. Ouch! Hey, what's a big idea?
Subject 136. Choose one.
Oh, gardening gears! Ouch! Hey!
Subject 137.
How did he get all these kids lined up?
Play with an Ace Hardlight action figure? All the cool kids are in?
Yeah, whatever. That guy's a tool.
Yeah. So if Ace is a tool, whose action figure would you rather have? Huh?
I don't know. Maybe that Lombax guy who smoked Reactor. He was like, Ow! Mom!
Subject 138.
Ratchet now speaks fluent Japanese, according to Fat Kid.
Welcome back to Red Zone fans. Today we're live from Planet Torball. Team Darkstar has dominated the Dread Zone circuit so far, but I think their luck will stop here. They've just been sent to one of Torball's massive Ace Hardlight toy manufacturing plants. And although the plant was shut down due to shoddy sales, one of Ace's ships still remains. Team Darkstar will have to find that ship and escape with it before Dread Zone's most elite forces hunt them down.
That's one ugly dude.
Alright. Buy some ammo.
My nav grid shows a hover bike up ahead, but you will have to reactivate a force field to gain access to it.
Come on, get him! Both of my bots just died. Yes! So the first time through, I didn't recognize this. I'm not going to be able to hit that, am I? Okay. But you actually gotta hack this. You see, that's not terribly obvious.
Let's keep it up.
And on top of that, like, you've never had to do that before. This is a good job for the player. Get it. Get it. All right. Well.
One more to go, sir.
Yay, flail. It's only level 5. Man. Really hoping it'd be like triple that by now.
Darkstar is in rare form tonight.
You know, it seems to be doing okay, though. Still killing like it's supposed to. Its killing ability is not impaired by its low level. Oh, dodge die. No, but it. Come on. Come on. EMP! No! Oh, you failed me. Bots, you failed me. I'm blaming that one on you.
That's one ugly dude. Oh, I need
Do we really
something up.
have to... We have to re-hack that. We can't... I'm gonna get you. You're not getting away from me. Not so long as arbiter ammo seeks out targets. Okay. Don't fail me. Swear to God. EMP. Thank you. Okay.
Good job. Let's keep it up.
It made sense when they were climbing out of the ground, but like when they're climbing out of dirt. But when they're climbing out of like what appears to be tile, that's I don't know about that. Come on, EMP.
Oh, this guy should have his own fitness machine, his own
How did that thing
shoes,
fit in a crate?
his own fat-burning barbecue.
Okay, I've got quite a bit more life than normal. By normal, I mean since last time I did this. Again, this should be... Okay. Notice how when they listen to me, everything goes according to plan and we win. Oh. Did I really get through that? I just got an achievement called Not a Scratch. I was wondering if I got through that without getting hit. That'd be pretty sweet.
Uh-oh! Force fields! A group of flying drones power the shields by staying in perpetual motion and transferring their kinetic energy. Ha! Even though I just read that off a cue card and don't have any idea what it means, I do know that Team Darkstar will have to destroy the drones to disable the force fields.
Hey, there's a jackpot
And actually,
mod.
I read that part too. What are you gonna
Jackpot.
do, sue me?
I always say mod.
Ratchet,
Like, after
shoot
everything.
down the swarm of flying drones in order to deactivate the force fields.
Oh, they were right there. I just want to get that, yeah. Let's just get that first. Where are they? Oh, I gotta go this way. Wow, I'm terrible at driving. Okay. I only go like just slightly faster than they do. Oh yeah. Oh, one left. Oh, finally. There's just like a spray of bullets going out that direction. 4 minutes. That took way too long.
Team Darkstar has now arrived at the location of the getaway ship. But hey ho, there's nothing there. The ship is hidden. It could take days, even weeks of painstaking searching just to find it.
Ratchet, if you activate the vector transmitter nodes in that area, I can triangulate to locate the ship.
I just realized that the hover bike is here. Also, I just realized that the hover bike does like no damage. Let's see how long it takes to kill this guy. A really long time.
Ratchet run!
That's what I'm learning. It says the fastest way is this way. Or the closest. Shit. Nope, nope, nope. Ah. I want to use the flail so bad. But I die constantly.
When this is all over, I'd like to do it again.
Okay. Oh!
What a hit! We're moments away from Lombax paste, everyone.
40. You see, I had 48 life, so I was at full life, and I went down to like nothing. 20 is similar to nothing. Okay. Oh, I just realized these were all turrets. Here's what the grav boots allow you to do. So I just go like this. And I can just walk up that. Sometimes it does weird stuff to your camera. Makes it kind of go, what? Yeah, see, that's the morphing mod. So you just turn into a chicken. Oh. Now you're making me mad. There it is again. I need to get closer to make you guys do this. Oh, 3 of these guys. Oh wait, actually, I can kill this thing. Are there any more of those around? Yeah, here's one. Let's grab some life and ammo. Get out of this place. Okay. Whoa. Whoa.
This guy is gonna sell a lot of commercial time, Juanita. Let's just pray we don't have any more wardrobe malfunctions.
I remember, yeah, see, I saw this little thing when I was driving around. So let's see if this...
Yeah, I remember the
You see how I'm kind of like leaning downward?
I was third division.
But I always thought it was funny that I could jump.
We were on routine patrol, and out of nowhere we were hit hard. There was fire, smoke, robot parts everywhere. Oh man, some of these kids were just 3 days out of the production factory.
3
sorry,
days.
Let's just keep going. Yeah, we lost a lot of good robots that day. Building 282, McGurnis B1000, Shank Luster. They were my friends.
Shank Luster?
But enough about that. I was pretty torn up. But I demanded they put me back on the front lines. My CEO laughed. He said, "You've got no freaking legs." He was right. I was just a memory core sitting on a table hooked up to a voice modulator. They sent me to a repair factory on Vegas 3. That's where I met QA900. She was a repair bot. She had the prettiest ocular sensors I've ever seen. But that's all history now. Soldiers weren't allowed to access files from factory employees. So QA900 and I would sneak outside at night and download and upload until the sun came up. One day she was gone. Yeah, they found out about our affair and edge. To this day, I can't even look at outdoor seating without simulating the view.
That was really clever. I didn't know that that was there. That was
Ratchet
really
was
clever.
a tough cookie. What kind of cookie would he be?
That
I'm
whole
gonna go with
thing,
Snickerdoodle.
I was trying to miss. Whoop, 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 whoop. Okay, so we need to get up there. There's a likelihood that I was just trying to get into that thing. Crap, am I going to do that all over again or no? Oops. Just the one.
You're not falling asleep.
Okay, let's see if we can just drive it up there and make it happen. Yes, got it. Okay.
Oops, one of his bots just went down. Oh, too bad it was the cute one too.
Okay. That thing was clever, I like that. Yeah, it only took me 53 seconds, that's right. Pay no attention to the other 4 minutes. Or 5 that took me.
So that's where the ship was, under the statue. Well, I just lost 50 volts. Unfortunately for Ace's ego, Team Darkstar will have
Blast
to
of
blow
fresh
up
air.
the statue to access the hangar underneath.
Ratchet, you will have to command your bots to set the explosives on the statue.
That doesn't seem so hard. Unless there's a stalker turret. Unless both of my bots die. Ah, flip.
Man, look at him go. You know, for a little guy, this Lombax can really put the smack down. Oh, man, that last hit was like a spanking from my mommy.
Twice I got hit there. Dead. D-E-D, dead.
Do you read Chaucer?
No, I don't read Chaucer. I have never read Chaucer. You've asked me that 30 times. Whoop! And then you miss. Alright. Oh, I forgot to say it's close to getting a level. I almost feel like the 100 mine launcher would be good here. Because I can like launch stuff over this. I don't know if things are going to show up there or not.
One thing about Ratchet, you give him any lip and he'll feed you a lead sandwich. You better believe that, Juanita.
I think I'm just going to, yeah, if I just do this. Oh, now I just want to live. Whoa. Oh, no! Oh, it's curved around the statue. That was stupid. I was just trying to hide. Maybe that was my folly.
When this is all over,
Would you like to do it again? And again? I'm just hopping and shooting. Okay, so let's see.
Will the person driving a mint green Man Ray 5 please report to security? You're parked in my space. Ratchet's got this match on ice, ladies and
Where did
gentlemen.
that-
The juice is cold, and the generic Grand X gelatin is definitely jiggling.
God. That's not what I meant to do. Okay, there we go. Now I just need to chill here. If I die from... okay, good. Alright, good. And we're at time anyway. We're over time.
Surface aboard a space shuttle hidden inside the Ace Hardlight Memorial. Only on Dread Zone, folks. You can't make this stuff up.
It's a very odd-looking spaceship with a colossal amount of thruster power. Alright. It's alright. Vindicator tournament. Got that
Ratchet, you
unlocked.
have now
So
qualified
we'll
for the Vindicator tournament.
call it
You
here,
know, Captain
and I
Starshield
will
holds
see
the
you next
all-time
time.
scoring record
Alright?
for this
Later.
tournament.